If you're dealing with tingling in your feet, burning in your legs, numbness in your hands, or nerve discomfort that feels worse at night, this is extremely important to understand because nerves do not repair evenly throughout the day. The largest window for nerve recovery actually happens while you sleep, when inflammation drops, circulation redistributes, and the nervous system shifts into repair mode. The problem is most people go to bed in a state that blocks this healing process. High stress, poor circulation, late meals, and blood sugar spikes keep nerves irritated instead of calm. Tonight, I want to show you how to change the internal environment so your nerves finally have a chance to recover. Nerves are living tissue. They need oxygen, nutrients, stable blood sugar, and calm electrical signaling. When blood flow is poor, inflammation is high, or stress hormones are elevated, nerve repair slows down dramatically. That's why two people with the same diagnosis can have completely different outcomes. It often comes down to the environment the nervous system lives in, especially at night. Right now, rub the bottom of one foot for about 10 seconds and notice the sensation. Does it feel dull, tingly, sensitive, or weak? Now compare it to the other foot. If they feel different, that doesn't mean something scary. It means circulation and nerve signaling can improve. Before bed, sit on the edge of your bed and do ankle pumps by pointing your toes forward and pulling them back toward you for 30 seconds. Your calf muscles act like a second heart, helping push blood toward the nerves. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery, and nerves are extremely sensitive to oxygen. After this, rub your feet again and many people feel more warmth or sensation, which is a good sign. Next, calm the nervous system because nerves cannot heal if the body feels under threat. Take a slow breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this 5 times. Long exhales shift the body out of fight or flight and into rest and repair mode. While breathing, relax your jaw and drop your shoulders because tension tells the nervous system to stay alert, and calm tells it to heal. Nerves are also insulated by a coating similar to insulation around a wire, and when that insulation is stressed, nerve signals feel sharp, burning, or irregular. Certain nutrients support nerve metabolism and calm overactive firing, while antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in nerve tissue. These are not magic fixes, but they support the physiology nerves depend on. One of the biggest blockers of nerve healing is late-night inflammation caused by sugar and heavy meals. Blood sugar spikes increase nerve irritation, which is why symptoms often feel worse at night. Try to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed and keep the last meal lighter, avoiding sugary or refined foods. During deep sleep, the body releases repair signals, clears waste, lowers inflammation, and restores tissues. Poor sleep means less repair time for nerves. A simple nightly routine of ankle pumps, slow breathing, lighter evening meals, warm feet, and consistency can dramatically improve the conditions nerves need to recover. Nerves heal slowly, but they do respond when the environment changes. Your nerves are not broken beyond repair. They are living tissue, and living tissue responds to support. Tonight, you're no longer fighting your body. You're working with it. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more health tips. Thank you, and make it a great day.